Are you looking for the best app control air conditioners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best app control air conditioners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ROVSUN 8000 BTU Window AC and Heater. The ROVSUN Window AC and Heater offers an all-in-one climate control solution for rooms up to 350 square feet. With fast cooling and heating capabilities, you can quickly adjust your environment to your liking, whether it's a hot summer day or a chilly winter night. The thoughtful design features an LED display in multiple modes, allowing you to customize your comfort easily. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control, you can manage the unit from anywhere, ensuring a welcoming atmosphere as soon as you arrive home. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included parts and clear instructions. What we like: easy installation, quiet operation, efficient cooling and heating, responsive customer support, Wi-Fi/app control. Number 2. Midea 10,000 BTU U-shaped Smart Inverter AC. The Midea U Smart AC offers a quiet cooling experience with its unique U-shaped design that helps block outside noise, making your room peaceful. You save more on energy bills thanks to its advanced inverter technology, which reduces power use by over 35% compared to regular units. Control is easy and flexible. You can manage the AC from anywhere using a smartphone app or voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Plus, its design lets you keep your window open for fresh air and a better view without losing cooling power, adding comfort and convenience to your space. What we like: ultra-quiet operation, energy efficiency, easy installation, modern U-shaped design, remote and app control. Number 3. ROVSUN 9000 BTU Mini Split AC and Heater. The ROVSUN Mini Split AC offers a powerful 9000 BTU cooling and heating system designed for efficiency and convenience. With its inverter technology and a high SEER rating of 19, you can enjoy significant energy savings. The automatic features, like a 24-hour timer in eco mode, allow you to set it and forget it, ensuring comfort without constant adjustments. Plus, its smart comfort capability lets you control the temperature and airflow from your remote or smartphone app, adapting to your needs seamlessly. This unit operates quietly, making it perfect for any room in your home or office. What we like: easy installation process, quiet operation, affordable price, efficient heating and cooling, clear instructions. Number 4. Westinghouse 14,000 BTU Air Conditioner. The Westinghouse portable AC is designed to keep small rooms cool, effectively cooling areas up to 700 square feet. You can quickly enjoy instant cold air during hot summer days, allowing you to set a comfortable thermostat for your space. This unit is not just an air conditioner, it also functions as a fan, dehumidifier, and heater, providing year-round comfort. As a dehumidifier, it removes 90 pints of moisture daily from spaces up to 4,000 square feet, helping improve air quality and making your home feel more comfortable in humid conditions. What we like: easy setup and installation, quiet operation during use, effective cooling and heating, smart remote control feature, compact and stylish design. Number 5. ROVSUN 11500 BTU Wi-Fi Mini Split AC and Heater. The ROVSUN Wi-Fi Mini Split offers year-round comfort with its combined air conditioning, heating, dehumidifying, and fan functions, making it perfect for any season. You can save on energy bills thanks to its efficient 17 SEER 2 inverter technology, which uses less power than many standard units. With Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant, you can easily adjust the temperature from anywhere, ensuring your home is always comfortable when you arrive. Plus, it runs very quietly, so it won't disturb your sleep or daily activities, and you can even turn off the indoor display for a peaceful environment. What we like: easy installation process, very quiet operation, strong heating and cooling, energy efficient, affordable price.